Hello and welcome to the Python Penguin, or PP for short. So before I teach you how to do Python, what I probably need to teach you first is how to download and install Python. So if you go to this website right here, there will be a link in the description below. You can click right there, download Python, it brings up a menu, you just gotta run that, and that is how you download Python from python.org. Next thing that you want to do is, you have Python, now how do you program in it? So while you could use their 64-bit thing, and type like print hi, it's very limited and only lets you really do one line of code. So instead of doing that, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to find an editor for Python. Python, I'm calling an editor, and this essentially allows you to check your work, make sure nothing's wrong. It gives you notifications, tells you the errors that you've made, if any, and that is what it is. So here is the one I would recommend. I would recommend PyCharm, because it is, well, it's highly recommended, and also it's the one that I'm going to be using throughout the duration of, well, more or less this entire channel. I may switch over in case there's a new one that's slightly better, and for this instance, you're probably going to want to get Python 3.0 for the rest of the time. Until there's an updated version, I can cover that when that happens. But all you gotta do here is click this download button, and it just brings you right to a download page, like so. And you just gotta download I would recommend the free version, the community version, because it's free. And I mean, you don't really need to be spending money on a free trial. After the free trial, you gotta spend money. And you can download this on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So any of those you have, you can download it and follow along these videos. So that is how you download Python. And yeah, that was the first video of the Python Penguin. So I'll see you next time, and keep coding.